trapped in white noise, the nature of reality. The concept suggests the blurring of the line between deterministic classical physics and probabilistic quantum physics. It invites us to question whether the quantum world is fundamentally random, or if apparent randomness emerges from underlying classical processes we can't fully observe. Emergence of quantum behavior. This idea proposes that quantum phenomena might emerge from classical systems when subjected to particular types of randomness. It's a bit like suggesting that the bizarre quantum realm might be a special case of classical physics under specific noisy conditions, rather than a fundamentally different realm. The role of observation. In quantum mechanics, observation plays a crucial role. The notion of a particle trapped in white noise could be seen as a metaphor for how our attempts to measure or observe quantum systems might create the very phenomenon we're trying to study. Interconnectedness. White noise contains all frequencies. A particle interacting with white noise is, in a sense, interacting with all possible frequencies simultaneously. This resonates with quantum concepts like superposition, where a particle can exist in multiple states at once. Hidden variables. The white noise could be seen as a stand-in for these hidden variables. Information and noise.